Friends, Karnataka government in its 2024 budget announced conservation and promotion of LandRaces program in order to preserve locally bred seeds on the verge of extinction, a community seed bank establishment program. As you know, LandRaces are also known as farmers' traditional heritage folk or heirloom varieties are plant populations developed and managed by indigenous or traditional agrarian system. Having recognizable characteristics and geographical origins, landraces continue to be cultivated by only a few farmers due to their unique agroecological traits. Many landraces are richer in nutrients than noticed varieties developed by scientific plant breeding. Goal of the scheme is conservation and promotion of landraces for a sustainable food system by improving farmers' resilience across the state. Objectives is identification and conservation of landraces and suitable for utilization in their respective local areas, including disappearing landraces, evaluation and release of selected landraces, supporting farmers who have conserved and cultivated landraces over time, supporting for the popularization of landraces. Let's see the characteristics to be considered for identification of landraces. First one, traditional crop varieties cultivated by farmers for generations, adapted to local environmental conditions and farming practices, possessing characteristic unique to landraces, may be registered with the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority or PPV and FRA, and the last is not a notified variety. Some of the components of the project include baseline survey, that is to study the descriptive cross-selectional survey that will be conducted online to collect quantitative and qualitative information on current status of landraces and farmer cultivating or conserving them. Second is supporting on or incentivizing to farmers for conserving and cultivation. Third is production and certification incentives. Here, farmer cultivating landraces will be supported by providing subsidies for agroecological practices like production of compost, vermicompost, farmyard manure, biofertilizer, green manure or other organic consortia, etc. Production incentives will be based on the data obtained from the baseline survey. Then storage incentives. Here, farmer will receive support for storage facilities. Then certification incentive, that is mandatory regulations for the certification of organic farms essential for credibility in the market. Therefore, certification charges up to 90% will be borne to the farmers cultivating landraces. Fourth one is experimental trials of landraces. Here, evaluating for popularizing them. Advisory committee will select the crops and landraces based on baseline survey for participatory varietal trials or PVT and allot to respective state agriculture universities to carry out the experimental trials. Again, multi-location trials and other formalities for releasing the variety will be conducted. Then skill development in the farmers and repository of the landraces will be taken at Agriculture University, KVKs. Along with that, awareness on nutritional aspects and marketing supports will be provided to the concerned farmers. Here, farmers will be boosted to register their landraces under PPV, FRA or if on larger scale, GI tagging for suitable landraces will also be practiced along with certification for conserving and cultivation of landraces. Thank you.